See that it looks a little more better compared to the first picture. So it's been like quite a while I got this back. So I've already like cleaned up the chassis, removed the rust on the choke and the transformer, and given it a small paint job. And let's power this on for a short while, and I'll just give you a small look into how this is. We won't be powering it for too long because I don't want to see the magic smoke, because some of these capacitors might be leaky and it needs to be restored. So let's take a quick look under the chassis. So you can see there are some old electrolytic capacitors which I'm sure are quite leaky at high voltages. There are some film caps. This seems to be a little more recent, probably still we need to change. And the wiring should also be changed because some of the insulators are coming apart.